my channel, and in today's video we are going to meet domestic animals. Do you know who are domestic animals? Domestic animals are those who are not wild and kept with humans. Domestic animals are also called farm animals. Domestic animals helps us in many ways, like they give us milk, eggs, meat, wool and many other things. So are you excited to meet them? But before meeting them, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's begin. Cow, cow, cow. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. Dog, dog, dog. Cat, cat, cat. Hen, hen, hen. Duck, duck, duck. Horse, horse, horse. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Goat, goat, goat. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Pig, pig, pig. So children, do you like my video? If you like it, then please press the like button